Hi guys, welcome to my beauty makeup channel. I come with my first makeup video. Thanks for watching, and if you interested in this tutorial I'm sorry, tutorial makeup look, so come on and subscribe my channel to watch much more beauty videos like this. So today we're going to have a really cute easy makeup look. Before anything, get my apply guys. If I can't speak English pretty good, that's why my twin language isn't English. So let's go to do our cute makeup look. Before anything, I use a humidifier and primer to prepare my skin for makeup. This is my favorite part of makeup actually, because I feel fresh and it's so good. I spread my primer on all of my face and fade it so good. After that, I put humidifier and primer on my skin and fade them so good. Put your foundation on your skin right where you want to cover, and then fade with a wet beauty blender. I've wetted my blender before start my taking video. I use foundation to all point of my skin and put it so carefully on all of my face skin. I didn't use concealer and contour in this video. That's why my foundation cover is so high, and I didn't like to use concealer or contour. Because that makeup that I'm doing isn't so professional makeup, and I do it for a shopping or university class. I fade point to point my foundation on my skin. My upper, my nose, my nose would be contoured.
It's all about humanity.
You can contour your nose also with your blusher. I usually do this. Because my foundation is so heavy and I don't like to use contour. That's why my makeup will be so heavy and I didn't like it. But it doesn't mean that I never do this and use contour. No, I use it so more in after videos.
It's all about humanity.
I will start my eye makeup with a cream color eyeshadow. I shade all my lid with this color.
It's all about humanity.
Sorry babies, I don't show my eyeshadow palette because it's broken.
It's all about humanity.
Yeah, my eyeshadow palette was broken and I couldn't repair it. I heard that if your blusher or eyeshadow was broken, you can use the alcohol and repair it. I did it, but I can't repair my eyeshadow. I fade my eyeshadow point to point on my applet. I shade my outer corner of my eye with a dark orange color and fade it to up and inside of my lid. After that I do this, I shade my down eyelid with a purple color, and faded with a back and forth movement. I really like this act. That's why it has a soft stay to my eyes. Then I wear my mascara like this. If you have an idea to do in this channel, please comment it for me. I wear mascara for all my eyelashes. My down eyelash even. And now I use a balm for my lips. I use my blusher. With the appropriate brush and fade with a movement like this. Move your hand like me and fade your blusher to up on your cheekbone. Continue our work with use lip gloss to coloring my lips. This is the result of my work. I hope you like my video and like my makeup look. You can see my result.